Minister of Waterways, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I will solemnly and sincerely promise to hold my office with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful consular, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God. I, Mahendra Reddy, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God.
Distinguished guests, as the Excellencies take their leave to await you at the reception area, we invite you all to kindly join His Excellency the President and the First Lady for morning tea. Thank you.